Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The reply made by Mr. AK Sheikh on my friend Yusuf, who's come on by the idea of Yusuf Abdul 123. Well, the comments which he really made on reply of Mr. AK Sheikh's video asking questions to Hazrat Mirza Masroor. Well, the main replies which he had to made, he hasn't made those replies, and he has just started giving lame excuses about what activities he has been doing. So let me first start with the reply which he had to really make. Uh, what he had discussed about the mingling and interaction of Ahmadis with non-Ahmadis, and we are not allowed to mingle a lot with the non-Ahmadis, and the Ahmadis hate the non-Ahmadis, and they don't have much friends who are outside the Jamaat and not allowed to marry people outside the Jamaat, and these kind of baseless allegations, which all have been cleared by my friend Yusuf. And I think Mr. Sheikh has first needs to reply to these questions and then later on change the topics. And regarding the video on his favorites list, the excuse that he really gives is that it was just a test, and by one of the persons who uploads videos for him, he had put it and just thought that let us keep it as a test that people really check it out and respond to it or not. Well, this is quite a lame and a stupid excuse, and he's comparing his situation with Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Sani, who had gone and had admitted that he had gone to France and Paris, and he wanted to check out the culture and the life of the people over there so that he can inform the people about the disadvantages and the problems and the azab which this kind of lifestyle will really bring to us. And after he went and saw all this kind of activities in Paris, he has mentioned about all these activities in his book and told the Jamaat people that this is a azab and he wants us to stay away from it, and told the people clearly that he's inviting people towards Islam, Ahmadiyyat, the real religion, the real Islam, and you should come towards the right path, the path of God, and not go in the wrong way and the wrong lifestyle and follow the wrong lifestyle like these people in Paris were doing. And this has been clearly mentioned. This was not mentioned after people came to know that he had gone. So what Mr. AK Sheikh is doing here now, after he has been caught, as he mentioned that even if he sees this kind of videos, he does not. There's no need at all for him to keep it on his favorite list. Yeah, even I do understand that. That's why there was only one video. What must have happened and what the probability is of happening is that he must have seen this video somewhere, and then by mistake he would have set it or selected to be it one of its favorite, unknowingly that this would be viewed by everyone. And if this was the case, what it was really a test, so why did he move it now? Like, he suddenly moved it, let it stay over there. Fine, why don't you want the test to continue further? Let more people check your favorites list, let more people, uh, let you make your test more successful so that more people reply and more replies come up and people comment on your videos. What first of all you need to do is reply to the questions, like the questions you were raised that Ahmadis are not doing this and that and the Jamaat is doing this, that you try to reply to those basic points first and then try to give really lame excuses. So this excuse is basically not at all an excuse, not worthy of an excuse at all, and basically after getting caught red-handed you are just trying to give a lame excuse that I was checking and trying to laugh, haha, I'm not so stupid that I will keep it over there, it was just a test and I'm really happy that people are replying. So just stop all the stupid activities and become little mature and sincere and try to accept what you have been doing wrong and just accept it and just say, yeah, I had done it. And this guy, don't give stupid excuses that I am not a leader of any community, I am not a claimant and this and that and I have kept it for a test. Just try to accept what mistakes you make. All of us make mistakes, even I make mistakes, but real people and real people who are really good and can change are the people who really accept the mistakes. So try to accept them. Accepting your mistake is the first step to become a better person, not trying to make some stupid excuse and trying to cover up for your stupid activities. So that's what I would like to say, and please try to reply. Even I have commented, my name is Nabil, I have commented on your videos like a couple of times now. I think this is my third video, and you haven't replied me in the proper sense till now even once. First you had questions about wasiyat and forcing people into wasiyat and this and that, and Jamaat is pressurizing people. Then one more video, people are not mingling with non-Ahmadis, and they are overburdening the students, they are not giving proper information to the youth. I replied to that, you never gave a reply to that. Then again my friend Yusuf even came on to this to attack on you or to reply to your comments, and you never replied to that also. So please try to reply to the relevant points first. You raise some points, and then you expect people to listen to your comments and give their negative or positive feedback, and you, as you said, you really appreciate it. So after appreciation, please do try to reply as well. We don't need your appreciation, we need your reply. So please try to reply and try to safeguard and defend the point which you are trying to make. There's not going to help that I just appreciate it. If you appreciate it, so please just tell. And one more point is that if you really thought it was a test, then please do not delete your favorite items. And if you really think it's a very good successful test, so please put some of these kind of more videos in your favorite list, and let's see, the test might be more successful in the future. So that's what I would like to say over here to you. And I expect and hope, even though knowing that you might not reply or you will not reply, I would request you, if it's possible, please do reply to the points which I have made. And please try to even reply to Yusuf or any people who really comment on your videos. Reply to them. Don't just say that I accepted and I appreciate it. Reply to them, and please try to accept your mistakes. All of us do mistakes. I hope you realize your mistake now at least. Thank you. Jazakallah to all the viewers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.